With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here we have this question in which is given if fx is equals to x square minus I will tell greatest integer box here, integer part of x, this box represents, so I will use this term, its term as box. So box of x square divided by 1 plus x square minus box of x square. So it's represent the greatest integer part, this box. Now then find the range of fx. So we have to find the range of fx. So here it is given that fx is equals to x square minus box of x square. Sorry, this is box of x square 1 plus divided by 1 plus x square minus box of x square. Now this term box of x square, I will take it as, let's say I will take this as capital X. So this fx will become capital X divided by 1 plus x. Now if I add 1 and subtract 1, so what it will become? It will become here, if we take this term capital X plus 1 and this term separately and take the denominator part separate, so it will become capital X plus 1 divided by capital X plus 1. So it is nothing but 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus capital X. So we have fx in this, where capital X is nothing but this x square minus box of x square. So basically this fx, the range of fx is directly depending upon x. When x is maximum, this whole term will get minimum, 1 upon 1 plus x. So if the 1 minus something is minimum, so this whole term will be maximum. This implies when capital X will be maximum, then x is also maximum. Then capital X is minimum, then f of x is also minimum. Now if we directly say the value of capital X, so here what is capital X? Capital X is nothing but x square minus box of x square. Now if we see here, we know the property of box of x. When x is between, let's say if it is 1.7, then box of x will gives you 1, only great integer part. So if I say that the box x is in the first basis, x is always integer, so what it box will give me? Box of x is always give me x. So when x belongs to any integer, so it capital X will be 0, as this box of x square will give me x square, so this will box give me x square, so capital X will be 0 when x belongs to integer. Now we can say that the box of x will be always be greater than or equal to box of x. We know this, so we can say this will be the minimum value of x, capital X. This will be the minimum value or capital X. So if the capital X is minimum, this implies f of x or f of x. What we concluded here, if capital X is less minimum, so fx will be minimum. So when capital X is minimum, which is 0, so f of x will be, if I put 0 here, so it will give me 1 upon 1 and 1 minus, it will give me f of x is 0. So minimum value of fx is nothing but 0. Now if we talk about that when x is not integer, when x not belongs to any integer, so what it will give me? It will give me, let's say here, this is x square minus box of x square, it is equals to x. Now if we see here that the maximum value of x will depend upon these two terms, so when we'll get maximum value of x square minus box of x square, it will be between 0 to 0.9, as this will give us fractional part, as we know that the x minus box of x will always, sorry, box, this is box of x is always give us fractional part of x. So basically the maximum value of x will be in the range of 0 to 0.9. Not only 0.9, it will gives us less than 1. Basically it will gives us 1 minus h, where h tending to 0 is just tending to 0 is less than 1. It will not just 0 and it will 1, where 1 is not included, it will gives us this less than 1, just less than 1. So if we take the maximum value of x, which is 1, so if we put maximum value of x tending to 1, not 1, x tending to 1. So this function fx, we are here, this function f of x, it will be, I will write it down here, the function is, we made that 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus capital X, we made this. Now the maximum value of capital X is tending to 1, so if we put the limit here, so we will have 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, so we will have 1 plus 2. We will have value of function fx maximum value. Its maximum value because it is directly depending on this x, so its maximum value is 1. So if we put the maximum value, so we will have the maximum value of fx, which is 1 by 2. But we cannot say the fx will be 1.1 by 2. It will tends to 1 by 2. So the maximum value of fx will be tends to 1 by 2 and minimum value will be equals to 0. So its range will be 0 included, 1 by 2 not included. This will be its range. So if we see from the options here, option number 4 is correct. 0 included, 1 by 2 not included. From 0 to 1 by 2. So this will be our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.